how to stack plants on Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to stack crops on Grow a Garden in Roblox, first of all, you need to use the tail tool to move the initial crop to your preferred location. Then after, pick up that same crop and move it to the second location. But don't place it down. Unequip the tail tool, and next, move your next crop to the desired location and repeat the same process again. Continue this until all crops are in the same spot. Finally, rejoin the game and you will now have stacked crops. So that's all there is to it. This is how you get to stack plants by glitch on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.